Hello friends, today we are going to talk about pivot operator in SQL Server. Pivot is a relational operator that is used to convert a table expression into another. Pivot is used when we want to transfer data from row level to column level. Let's see with example. Open the SQL Server. Now connect that one. Open the database and user DB and tables. Let's see that you have one table that is user.stores. Just open that one, user.stores. Here you can see that one. Here is that store number. This one is store number, and this one is the week, and this one is the count. That particular store number, like a 101, 102, and first day of the week, and the count is that 96. That is a sales count. And same here, 101 and a week, first day of a week, and the count is 138. So this particular data, I want to in a column format, means like a week should be come into column, and count should be come under the column. Just see how to do this one. Just first select that one database, that user DB. You create a new query. It's very easy to write. First, check that what data. Just like what's the data you have. Select star from user.store, and here you have that column. Which column you want? Like a store number. One is that store number is that. Another one is that week. Like simple way to write, and then count. Okay, right. So just write this query. It's easy. Okay, so it's coming like this one. Okay. Now just make a bracket. After that, make a bracket like that. Okay. Then right here, the which column you want to display. Just like select star and from. So that one, that one more table is created. That one select star means all those data it will display which are we have added in that inside the block this block. Okay, select star. Now here just write make the alias of that one. So like x, you can write it x. Now after that you can start like a pivot. So pivot, and then which column you want to sum, like which column in the pivot. If you will write the pivot and then you make a bracket like this, and that here you have to write that one, that particular column which you want to sum. Just I want to sum of that count, so right here like a sum of particular column, that count. Okay, then one for, then which which row should we come into column. Just like I want to make a week, this one should become as a column. This one week, it should become like a 1 2 3. So for, then copy that week, then int, then column name, just like a 1. This one is the will be the come into column, right? Just make a name, okay, p. Just execute that query, that select query, and execute this one. See, now that store number is coming here, and that one, that particular column, that one what you have added here, this one, which this one is coming as a column. Just add one more data record, like edit format, and add for fourth of week. Just 3. This one is that. Just copy and paste it and execute. Like make it as this one is 4. Okay. Just change the data. Okay. Now if you will look this one, this data, this particular data, now 4 is coming. If you scroll down, now see, you can see here 4 is also coming. And there 4 is also coming. Now just what you need to do, you can add one more column like a 4, the fourth of week. So let's see, one more column will display here, that will be the 4. Just execute this one. See, now it's a 4 is coming. With the store number 101, it's coming 23, 102, it's coming 56, and 105, it's 25, and 109, it's 45. That 4. If you add, you can add multiple columns here. Just to see what we have done till now. Just to first you have to write that query. Here no need to write say group by anything. Just write a query which data you want to display. Then one more things you have to add here. One more table like a select star and make a bracket inside of the bracket. Okay, then they make the name of that one. Then you start that pivot. So that pivot is, and then which of column you want to sum, then you can make a sum here. They're like just like a count, you want to make a sum, then make a sum here, then write a for, and column which columns means like a particular row data is here. This one is the row data, that week data, week is there in that with the row, that one if you want to make a column, so you can write 1 2 3 that column a week in, so this one will come as a column, and the sum of that one, that particular count, that count of sales, this one displaying here. I hope it's a clear. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.